Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you to all my supporters and Patreons. I appreciate it. Yesterday, Tesla stock went down by 10% on the news of the first quarter deliveries. And I watched every possible business show, read every possible blog, and those analysts sometimes are stupid. Anyway, so look, let's take a pause and go back. Is Tesla peaked in the US? In other words, did they reach their maximum? And if they are, why is that and all that? So first of all, I don't know. I'm not a prophet. Who knows? Second of all, in my opinion is I don't think so. But just let's take a look what has been done already. Okay, what has been done? The fact that let's say Ford sold many cars 2 years ago, that doesn't mean they're not going to sell many cars 2 years from now. In other words, if you sold many cars in the past, that doesn't mean you're not going to sell any more in the future. I don't see the correlation. The point of what I'm telling you is this. Let's take a look. In 2011, Tesla sold 0 cars. Okay, Tesla is now close to selling 500,000, half a million electric cars, pure electric cars that can be charged really fast and getting faster and faster, and can travel freely to everywhere. Let's even look closer. In the past year and a half, even less than a year and a half, let's say the past 5 quarters, okay, since the beginning of 2018 to now, Tesla Model 3 sold in the United States and around the world now over 200,000 Tesla Model 3s were sold. Okay, so I look at this analyst. Okay, so they sold and now there's more competition. I'm looking at the competition. Let me share with you some numbers. I'm looking at the competition. By the way, I posted the monthly. I always post the monthly report of the bestseller. So here's what the competition did last month. I mean the month of March. The most that the competition sold was 2,166 cars. That's the Chevy Bolt EV. Okay, so the entire sales for March, for example, were 27,628. Okay, more than half of it was Teslas. You understand? So let's look at last year, over 360,000. Okay, more than 40% of it was Teslas. In other words, the domination is continuing, and the domination will continue. Now, I'm not a fanboy. I'm not at all. But I just like to look at numbers, because numbers are incredibly cruel. Okay, they tell you the truth. So here's what I think can be is a factor or may be a factor. But here's how you circumvent it. First of all, Tesla Model S and X dropped significantly in Q1. Okay, significantly, and in compared to last month. Are people looking for a refresh? Probably. Hardware? Probably. I talked about it in many of my videos. Is the tax incentive a factor? The answer is probably yes, because as of now, Tesla is on path, unless the laws change, on path to be done with any tax incentive by the end of 2019. Okay, does that mean that instead of buying Teslas, people are going to buy Bolts or Kona EVs? I look at the numbers. The numbers don't support I'm buying this instead of this. Here's what Tesla has that nobody has: supercharger network. So if you buy, anybody, and I see so many videos, anybody who consider buying an electric car, the first thing they say, you know, I want to do long range driving, I need a supercharger. The supercharger is the best. That's totally understandable. Now, I have a Tesla, so all my long trip driving, is with the Tesla. If I'm to buy another EV, will that 7,500 be a factor? Of course, it'd be a huge factor. A huge factor. But if I didn't have it, I didn't have my choices, and then I say, I want this Tesla for everything, then the long trip abilities, the supercharger, is an enormous, enormous advantage. Now also, Tesla cars are just so much fun. They're so innovative. Yesterday, and I'm making a video about it, yesterday my Tesla got the next update. One of many. You know what it is? The car is now 5% faster, more acceleration. I have an enhanced autopilot, in key fob summon, okay, and red traffic light alert if the car sees that you are not going to stop in a red light. So my car is going to be faster. An over-the-air update. My Tesla's Tesla Model 3 long range got 15 miles range more, okay, plus, since the last time. So my car, when I bought it, was 310, now the regular is 325. Which other car company does this? Nobody does this. So this, yes, the tax incentive is a huge factor, but at the end of the day, you look at the numbers. Now, does Tesla have issues delivering their Teslas? Yes, but they also had issue producing them. So they produce more than they deliver. Okay, they produce more. Yes, they produce more than they deliver. All right. Do you think they're going to figure that out and fix that like they did with the production hell? Of course they are. It's just a matter of time. So the Tesla peak in the United States, I don't think so. Again, I don't know the future. Nobody does. But I don't think so. I really don't. All right, let me know what you think. The Tesla peak in the United States. Great question, really is. Great question. Thank you guys for watching. Please help me change the world one electric car at a time, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video.